This is the RAYLINE AI 4K RA-WD200W series wall printer. The first boot method. Connect the power cord to the outlet. Turn on the power switch. At the same time, the machine will automatically charge the battery. The second startup method is to press and hold the circular button until you hear a ticking sound and then release it. Please read the print head and ink usage precautions. Open the air hole of the ink tank and pour the appropriate amount of ink into the corresponding color box. Cover with big stopper. When printing pictures, you need to open the small air hole plug. Finally, put on the iron lid. Open RAYLINE control software. Enter the device operation interface. Test whether the print head can move up, down, left, and right. Swipe from left to right with your finger. Don't let go. You can move continuously. Test the forward and backward movement of the print head. After adding ink for the first time, you need to complete the pumping of ink. The ink absorber automatically pumps out the ink from the front of the print head. Wait a moment when finished. The ink absorber will then suck out the air inside the print head. The entire ink pumping process takes approximately 1 minute. Remove the ink absorber after pumping the ink. Gently wipe excess ink from the print head with a clean, dry paper towel. Prepare a piece of white paper and place it on the front of the print head. One-click inkjet test. Some colors in the test results are unqualified. You can repeat the inkjet test so that the ink on the front end will slowly eject. If one color still fails after multiple inkjet tests, you can spray out substandard ink alone. Inkjet red and yellow respectively. Please do not use the inkjet function continuously. Complete the inkjet test again. Pictures can be printed if the test results are qualified. Adjust the distance between the track and the wall and lock the rollers. The distance to the wall is about 15 to 20 cm. Position the red cursor to the lower left corner of the printing starting point image. Turn on Z automatic function. Check if automatic function works. Enter the image processing interface. Select the picture you want to print. After setting the printing height, the printing width will be automatically adjusted. Set the printing precision and click to start printing. Now the print head starts working. Accelerating processing. If you pause and cancel printing during printing, the system will automatically mark the pause location. There is a mark above and below the picture. Move the machine over. Open RAYLINE software. Open Continue mode. Enter the device operation interface. Turn on Z Auto and align the red cursor with the mark. Enter image processing software. Select the same picture and set the same parameters. Click to start printing. The print head continues printing at the last paused position. This is the automatic stitching function of AI 4K printer. Auto stitching feature helps you print wider images, accelerating processing. The picture will automatically stop printing after it is finished. Retract the print head in the device operation interface and lower the print head to the lowest point. Install the ink absorber. Shut down the host computer. Thank you for watching.
可以。